In addition to the standard reports delivered with Dragonfly, your store will probably want to create many other reports over time. Dragonfly provides a configurable report catalog that can be used to organize these reports into a folder structure, which makes the reports easily accessible to the application's users. The reports themselves are designed in the Dragonfly Report Designer, which is covered in another setup session. This session covers the use of the Report Catalog Designer. The Report Catalog Designer form consists of two lists. The Available Reports list contains all the defined reports. The reports in this list are organized by the application modules that the reports were assigned to when they were created. If a folder has A+ next to it, this indicates that there are reports available in that folder. The Catalog Layout list on the right side of the form displays the folders and subfolders that you create to present the reports to users. To move a report from the Available Reports list into the catalog, first click the folder in the layout where you want the report to go. Then, in the Available Reports list, either double-click on the report to be added to the catalog, or select it and click the right arrow button. The report will be added to the selected folder in the Catalog Layout list. To add a new folder to the catalog, click the New Folder button, then enter the name for the new folder when prompted. If the currently selected item in the catalog layout is a report, the folder will be added below that report. If the selected item is a folder, the new folder will be added as a subfolder of that folder. To remove a report or folder from the catalog, double-click on it, or select it, then click the left arrow button. If you attempt to remove a folder that is not empty, you will be reminded that the folder's entire contents will also be removed, and given a chance to proceed or cancel. To change the position of an item in the catalog, use drag and drop to move it to the desired position. If you drop a report or folder onto another folder, it will be added to that folder. If you drop an item on a report, it will be placed under the report. To move an item to the end of the catalog, drag it and drop it below the last item in the catalog. Note that you cannot drag a report from the Available Reports list into the Catalog Layout list. To rename a folder or a report, click on it in the Catalog Layout, then click the Rename button, then enter the new name for the item. Keep in mind that renaming a report in the catalog doesn't change the actual name of the report, only the name that appears in the catalog. A report can appear more than once in the catalog. To add a second instance of a report in another folder, repeat the process that was just described. There may be times when you want to send a report to another Dragonfly user, or when someone wants to send you a report that they have created. To share a report in your system, click on it in the catalog layout, then click the Share Report button. The report definition will be saved to a file and placed in your Exports folder. The file will have the same name as the report, with the .dfr extension for Dragonfly Report. You can then share that file with another Dragonfly customer. If you receive a saved report file and want to add it to your Dragonfly instance, click the Import Report button, then navigate to the folder where the file to be imported is located, then select it. The report will be added to your system and added at the bottom of the catalog layout. You can then move the report to the desired location. One other thing to keep in mind, the top folder in the catalog is named System Reports. This folder contains the reports used by some of the automated features of Dragonfly, and the system expects to find the reports in specific folders or subfolders. For this reason, the System Reports folder and its subfolders cannot be renamed or moved. You can add and remove reports from these special folders, but remember that removing a report may cause the related application feature to become unavailable.